This 1999 Land Rover Discovery Series 2 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Land Rover Discovery Harman Kardon sound system called Climate Package, heated front seats, 4.6L DOHC V8 engine, 4-speed automatic transmission, wheel drive system, keyless entry, fog lamps, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power windows, power door locks, and green metallic exterior, tan leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 1999 Land Rover Discovery is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.